Hello guys, welcome back to Surya Zone. So from today for the next 50 days we are going to solve the problems that are there in the lead code as I have mentioned previously. Okay. So trust me guys, so this will be very interesting. So you are not only going to get the solution for this by me, you'll also get the understanding of the problem statement and then the solution that I'm going to provide you guys. Okay. So I want you guys also needs to be practice along with me on daily basis. Okay. So expect the videos in the evenings mostly. I'll try to upload the videos after 6 p.m. to 10 between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So in between of the time you can expect the videos from me for the next 50 days. Okay. So this is the link which I will give in the description box where you can go and start to practice. Okay, and trust me, guys, if you solve this 50 problems along with me, you will have some confidence on SQL, and you don't want to purchase a course for SQL to learn what is happening behind the scenes. Okay, so yeah, and also I want you guys names to be present in this weekly ranking board. It will be happy for me as well, and it will be helpful for your as resume purpose as well. You can mention this in the resume that you have ranked among the persons in the lead code like that, and you are a lead code problem solver like that. Okay. So what you can do is you can click on sign in, or you can simply click on start. If you click on start, it will take you to the sign in page. Okay, let it load. Yeah, so here if you see, if you have already have an account, sign in with your account. Or not, just click on sign up and fill the necessary details like username, password, confirm password, email address and everything, and then click on sign up. Okay, I already have an account, had account, and I have signed in already. So we are going to use the same thing. Okay. So I don't want to create a new account. You guys create a new account and then come to this particular problem, which is our recyclable and low flats. Okay, low flat product. So this is our first problem. Okay, so this is the UI actually. Once you click into okay, let me go back. I'll show you what is happening inside. So let me come here. So this is the fine UI. Okay. So of our course, top 50 course, I have already signed in, like you can see Surya's zone. And here you can see the problems which are present here. Okay, all the problems which are present here. So what you can do is you can click on this particular question, recyclable and low flat products, to solve this particular problem. Okay, and it will open in a new tab. Yeah, so here if you see, this is the question number and then the question name. So these are freely available problems from the lead code. There are some advanced problems for which we need a premium subscription. Don't worry, we will try to cover those as well after completing this, and we will solve the problems mostly in the lead codes. Okay, and you will be a pro at SQL. Trust me. Okay, cool. And the next thing is, for this particular question, we do have a data in the product table, and that product table has columns like product ID, low fats and recyclable. And here they have provided the information of the attributes. Let's say the product ID is the primary key for this particular table, and what is low fat is and its data type. And let's say what does the data that it has, let's say it has the data like y and no n. So here they are mentioning where y means this product is low fat and n means it's not low fat, it has high content of fats. Okay, similarly recyclable, whether this particular product is recyclable or not. Okay, so they just provided you the attribute details of the attributes in the product table. Okay. uh, cool. So now let's go to the problem statement. Here the problem statement is, write a solution to find the IDs of product that are both low fat and recyclable. Okay, return the result for table in any order. So they don't have, they are not asking in any particular order to return the result, so we can return the result in any order. Okay, and the next thing is they have provided the example input and then the example output. So this is the input. If you see, we do have product ID, we do have low fat, and we do have recyclable. So, and this is the output they are expecting. So if you see the output, they have got only product ID 1 and 3, because if you see the product ID 1 where the low fats is also yes and then the recyclable also yes, and if you see the third product which is low fats is also y and recyclable also n. If you see the other products, either one of them is yes, either low fats is y or the recyclable is y, like that. Okay, like this. So but so here they have provided you the explanation as well. Let's say only product 1 and 3 are both low fat and recyclable, like that. Okay, so we can solve the problem in the right side of the UI. So this things I'm explaining you in the first video only. So in the upcoming video we will only solve we will come to know about the table details and then the query problems. problems statements. Okay, so here into the right side you can just go through and write a language whatever you can, like MySQL is there, Microsoft SQL Server is there, then Oracle is there, PostgreSQL is there. Whatever the SQL database management system you can select accordingly, and you can start to work accordingly. So here we can practice pandas as well. Like we can write the same SQL query in pandas, which I will pandas and Python and all I'm going to cover in future. So for the time being, I'm going to use the Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, cool. So let's write a problem. So here we do have a table. Like let's write a solution. Select star from products. Okay, so it is always better to see all the columns from a table to understood what is happening inside this particular table. Okay, so that you will understood how the data is, and then how we can write our transformation based on the requirement, what is the logic behind that, all those things we will be able to know. Okay, let me reload the page. There is some issue, I guess. No worries, it will resolve. Yeah, so let me, yeah. So here if you see, we have got the result. So now what is the problem statement is, if you can't, you can just simply drag it down and all those stuff you can do. So they are asking us to return the product IDs that are both low fat and recyclable. Okay, I hope you guys are know what from is and star is. This star is nothing but with a statistic which will select all the columns from a table. So this from keyword is to select the columns or select the data from the table. So this is the table product which we have. Okay, and then the next thing is we will write our solution for this particular problem statement. So in the output they want only the product IDs. Okay, and then they need the product IDs which are both low fat and recyclable. So what we can do is we can add one condition where, let's say, yeah, low fats is equal to yes, and recyclable equal to no. Okay, let me run this piece of query now. Sorry, recyclable is also equal to yes, because they want both the things, right? Cool. So let me run this piece of query now. Yeah, so the test results has been completed and it has accepted. We have got the expected result also. Okay, so here what this query exactly is doing is, so we are adding a filter condition where. So if you want to know what is where is exactly, please go to my difference between SQL class or function playlist, where I have explained what is the difference between where and having. There I have explained what where is also doing. Okay, this where is to just in a high level I'm saying now. This where is just to filter the data from a particular table. Okay, and we are using an and condition to filter on other columns as well, because here they are expecting both low fat and recyclable to be white, so that we are using an and condition. Okay, suppose if they have asked either one is yes, then here we can use the or condition, but our problem statement is they want the IDs that are yes for both low fat and recyclables. Okay, so now let me submit this problem. Cool. I have submitted it and it has accepted all the solution. Okay, we can check the test results here, how the test results are, what can be done, like how what is the input, what is the output, and what is the expected output. So all these things are matching. Okay, cool then. Thank you guys. Keep supporting, and it's not like that you have to solve along with me. You can solve based on your timelines, but if you have any issue or any doubts in solving the problems, you can refer my videos. And also I am expecting our YouTube channel to grow in the upcoming days because of this LeetCode 50 days challenge. So I'm requesting you to share this YouTube channel and then the videos with your friends across the social media platforms like Instagrams, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever, WhatsApp, whatever you have. Okay, so that will motivate me to create more quality contents. Okay, cool. See you guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.